Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix GTA San Andreas mouse not working in Windows 11. If your mouse isn't responding in the game, but your keyboard works, follow these steps to fix it. First, go to the GTA San Andreas directory and double-click to open it. If your mouse still isn't working when you start the game, close the game and follow these steps. First of all, locate the GTA San Andreas shortcut, right-click on it, and select Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode and select either Windows 7 or Windows XP Service Pack 3 from the drop-down menu. You may also want to reduce the color mode and check the box to Run this program as an administrator. Then, click Continue and OK. Now, go back to the GTA San Andreas directory and start the game again by selecting New Game to check if your mouse is now working. And that's how you can fix GTA San Andreas mouse not working error in Windows 11. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this.